In this video, you will learn how to program your AT&T UVerse TV S-20 remote control to work with your TV. If you'd like to learn how to use the more advanced features of the remote, refer to the Remote Control User Guide that came with your remote or by visiting att.com/uverseremote. Before you get started, be sure to remove the protective battery strip protruding from the top of the battery compartment, which is on the back of the remote. If the battery strip has not been removed, you can feel it when you handle the remote. Also, make sure that the backlit keys light up when you press any key on the remote control. If they don't light up, check that the batteries are properly seated, or they will need to be replaced. The method we'll be using to program your S-20 remote control is called Auto Search. Start Auto Search by pointing the remote directly at the TV. Keep the remote pointed at the TV throughout the process. Enter the program mode by pressing and holding the OK and menu keys simultaneously for 3 seconds. The power key will flash red twice to confirm you are in program mode. The OK key is located in the center of the circle of the 4 directional arrow keys. The menu key is the long, curved key located above the 4 directional arrow keys. Next, press the On-Demand key, which is located in the upper left corner of the remote. Press and hold down the Fast Forward key, which is located near the top of the remote. It may take a few minutes for the device to respond. The remote will test a code and flash the power key red once every 3 seconds. The power key is located at the top of the remote. When the correct code is detected, the TV will turn off. Let go of the Fast Forward key as soon as the TV turns off. Press the power button to turn the TV back on. Then use the volume up and down keys to verify that the remote is controlling your TV volume. The volume keys are located on the left side of the remote, just above the number keys. If the remote doesn't work properly, go through the setup process again to assign another programming code. If TV programming is interrupted or inactive for more than 10 seconds, the power key will flash one long red blink and exit programming mode. This means the remote has returned to normal operation without saving changes. For additional help programming your remote control, visit att.com/uverseremote or press Help and Remote Control Setup. Thank you for choosing AT&T.